Today I'm serving grilled fish and turmeric fried yam. Do I really need to say clean your fish first? Nah, I don't think so. You already know what to do. Because we're going to be grilling this fish, you want to pat it dry to remove as much moisture as you possibly can manage, and then score the fish on both sides. Scoring your fish is a really good trick to let the seasonings penetrate that fish well. Now go ahead and season it with any seasoning that makes sense to you. You know, the seasonings you like to eat on your fish. Yeah. And you want to grill this in your oven till it's well done. While your fish is grilling, you want to make your sauce. I'm starting with the trinity of flavors. Talking about onions, ginger, and garlic. Next, you want to put in your pepper mix. This is a mix of onions, peppers, tomatoes, and allow this fry. I'm going to be accompanying my fish with some fried yams, and I'm not going to make the basic yam. I'm adding some turmeric and some salt to make my fried yam taste even better. So just put it in your hot oil and let it do its thing till it's nice and golden brown. And of course, you want to take it off the heat. At this point, your pepper is well cooked. Don't forget to season it, add some fish seasonings, add some sesame oil. All the things are going to just add a whole lot more taste. And then I had some bell peppers, so I just added it. Throw in your grilled fish and let it soak up all those beautiful flavors. And just like that, guys, we've come to the end of our 7 days of easy fish recipes. I hope you enjoyed all the recipes in this series. Thank you for watching. Bye.